So there's a couple different ways of putting lat longs in the flight plan. As you can see up on this flight plan, I have 6650 north. So this is the shorthand way of putting it in the flight plan. And the way you do that would be if you're given a crossing like north 66 west 050, you're just going to type in 66 for north, 50 west, and then type in N. When you type that in the flight plan, it's going to come up with shorthand. To double check that you did it correctly, you'll double check your clearance and you'll show 66 north 050 west. If you're happy with that, click select and you'll look at your flight plan and it'll show up 6650 north. The longer version would be to type in north 66 west 050, and when you type that into your flight plan, you're going to notice it comes up with, let's delete this first because it's two waypoints. When you type this in the flight plan, you'll notice it'll come up with a LL. So when you type in lat longs that are the long form, you're going to get a little LL02. So there's nothing wrong with that. The only thing I would double check with, if you're not going to do the shorthand version of this, is that when you do double check your oceanic clearance and you're typing in the long version of the lat longs, that you go down to info and that you're making sure that you check that your lat longs on page number 2, your lat longs are correct.